So in my last video I have shown how to mount your mobile phone with the helmet. If you haven't seen that video, you can watch it in my YouTube channel. And this video I'll show some more practical way to mount your mobile phone. So what was happening in my last Jugaad was when I was trying that Nivea wristband and mounting my mobile to the helmet. Small part of visor was not getting closed. As you know, the wristband was coming between the visor closer and the helmet body, so I have to keep it open. I was not having any option. So some wind was coming when I was riding at high speed, and in winter season, you know that that wind, cold wind, when it hits you, you might you have chances to get cold. So this video, this upcoming video, in the later part, you will find a more practical way to mount your mobile phone. Let's go to the video. So in this video I have ordered this GoPro helmet mount, and I'll put the link in the description below. And what I am using right now is I'm having this old iPhone SE which I mounted on this GoPro mount, and I ordered this lens for mobile which gives me some wide angle video shooting mode, which wasn't there on my this phone, so I have to order this. If your phone supports wide angle shooting mode, then you don't need to buy this. So I'll show you how to mount this on your helmet. So just use some Mseal or that kind of adhesive to stick this, like fixing this GoPro helmet mount on your helmet. And of course you need to have full face helmet as I'm having, and then simply just like put it, wait, so this is fixed. Now you might be afraid that this might fall down when you are going through some potholes or, like, you know, Indian roads. So what I'm doing is I'm having this strap of my old ID card which I'm going to put it on this. You need to find some hole on your mobile cover, or I know you will definitely find such place to fix this, and you need to wear this in your neck. And this is my I was having some old earphone, so what I'll do is I'll just put this 3mm jack, this old earphone jack into this, and I'll use this as mic, which I'll putting it inside, and like, you know, I'll record the voice, so I don't need to voice over after shooting the video. So let's see how does this footage looks like. I'll just go outside and show you how the footage would will look like. So मैंने अभी जस्ट अपना माइक सेट कर लिया है. आई होप कि अभी आवाज़ सही से आ रही हो.